Surat Thought, Chapter of the Ranks. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth has given glory to Allah. He is the sublime, the wise. O ye who have believed, why do you say what you do not do? It is very abhorrent in Allah's eyes that you should say what you do not do. Verily Allah loveth those who fight in his way, drawn up in ranks like a building well compacted. Recall when Moses said to his people, O my people, why do you insult me? Though ye might know that I am Allah's messenger to you, then when they swerved, Allah caused their hearts to swerve. Allah guideth not the people who are reprobates. And when Jesus, son of Mary, said, O children of Israel, I am Allah's messenger to you, confirming the Torah which was before me, and announcing the good tidings of a messenger who will come after me, bearing the name Ahmed. Then when he came to them with the evidence, they said, This is magic manifest. Who does greater wrong than he who invents falsehood against Allah when he is called to Islam? Allah guideth not the people who are wrongdoers. They desire to extinguish Allah's light with their mouths, but Allah is going to perfect his light. Though adverse are the unbelievers, he it is who hath sent his messenger with the guidance and the religion of the truth, that he may make it preeminent above all religion, though adverse are the polytheists. O you who have believed, shall I point you to a trade which will save you from a punishment painful? Ye will believe in Allah and his messenger, and will strive with goods and person in the way of Allah, and that is better for you if ye have knowledge. And he will forgive you your sins and will cause you to enter gardens through which the rivers flow, and good dwelling places in the gardens of Eden. That is the mighty success, and other things which ye love, help from Allah and a near clearing up. Give good tidings to the believers. O you who have believed, be helpers of Allah, as Jesus, son of Mary, said to the apostles, who were my helpers towards Allah. And the apostles said, We are the helpers of Allah. So one party of the children of Israel believed and another party disbelieved. Then we aided those who had believed against their enemy, and they became preeminent. Now, that chapter, we have the metaphorical and the physical reference to the battle ranks. And, the metaphorical as in the more common, the prayer ranks. But we also have the Ahmed mention. So the fifth mention of Muhammad by name, but not his regular name, right? And you do find this in the comforter to be sent, one of the variations of the Greek. And we have the Sigibilum di Ameth of the Enochian and other and earlier sigils, because they thought there was a seal of the prophets, and it was not a seal of the prophets in terms of a prophet. It was like some seal that, like, if you knew the seal and you figured out how to use the seal, then you would become a prophet. So yeah, I wouldn't say that a Nabiullah or Rasulullah would ever be because of some special magical technique that they learned. That's not really how they're called, but that was how people were responding to that. Perhaps it was distorted on purpose rather than people just not knowing and making up stuff in the gaps, but don't merely speculate, people.